myself, my name is Waseem Bhatt and I belong to the mountains. Exactly, you heard it right. I'm from SRINAGAR, JAMMU and Kashmir, and I'm going to be your master teacher of chemistry over here. Well, people, I have got the teaching experience of more than 5 years, taught and mentored more than 30,000 kids, produced hundreds of top All India ranks. How's the Josh?
Waseem sir, on the stage please.
Alright guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Hope all of you are doing great, having the wonderful time at home. My name is Waseem Bhatt and I'm from SRINAGAR, Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, this is the first time मैं स्टेज पर आके नर्वस हो रहा हूँ because अभी तक मुझे नो सबक कैसा यार मेरी दिन सबक यार So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the selected candidates who have come here. ठीक है? It's just because of you guys that we are able to stand here. Congratulations and huge round of applause. Well, ये तो अपना काम कर चुके हैं, but अब आप लोग की टर्न कुछ दिखाने की, ठीक है? Next year, inshallah, it's going to be you guys who are going to stand in front of us and यहाँ पे, ठीक है? And one thing, अभी ये तो हो गया, इनका काम तो हो गया. अब आपको क्या करना है, ठीक है? See, one thing I would like to share with you. I'll tell you my experience when I started my preparation in 2011, right? In 2011, I was in class 11. I started my preparation of JEE. उसके बाद I used to be a very studious person. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ मैं खूब मतलब 11-12 में I used to study for 10 to 12 hours a day, right? फिर उसके बाद it's not just for 3 months जो आप entrance के लिए पढ़ते हो, ठीक है? I used to do that continuous for 2 years. उसके बाद when I wrote JEE, when it was my first attempt, मतलब my preparation was up to the mark और वो confidence आ चुका था कि I will kill the examination. This was at that time when I used to appear, when I was about to appear the JEE examination. But when I entered, I always used to start with the maths examination, maths paper. जब मैंने maths paper का पहला question खोला, I got set. I got set मतलब 360 में से points होते थे, 360 में से score जब देखोगे मेरा 0 था पहले attempt में. This is something which actually happened with me in the first attempt of JEE.